Hey guys, Paul here with Newegg TV. I have a new product from Newegg's First from Asia program. This is the Ugreen USB multifunction charging station as well as on-the-go hub. So this device can actually be used in quite a few different ways. So as a standard USB hub, you can of course take this device, connect it to your computer. What you basically get is 3 USB 2.0 ports, and then there's also a power adapter. If you plug that in, you get a 4th port that you can use for charging that provides 2.1 amps of current. But what I think the coolest functionality of this is actually the OTG, or on the go. What that's going to allow you to do is take something like a smartphone, for example. There's mine, although it's kind of old. And you can connect it up to this, and then you can use the USB ports to plug things and connect them into your smartphone. Now, your smartphone needs to be on-the-go capable, smartphone or tablet or any device like that you're doing. So double check that first if you want to use it in that way. But that will let you do things like connect flash memory or a USB mouse or a keyboard to a smartphone or a tablet and greatly expand the functionality. So you can almost use it like a little mini dock for a smartphone or tablet in that way. That's pretty cool. It works with Mac OS as well as Windows. On-the-go functionality, of course, is going to work with on-the-go functionality capable devices, Android as well as iPhones, depending on which ones are capable of that. I don't have that official list, so you're going to have to look that up yourselves. Okay, apart from that, this is showing you some different ways that you can connect it, but I'm going to skip over that just so we can jump into the box here and show you what all is included. So here's the contents of the retail box. We'll start off with a bit of documentation, a little quality control sticker from Ugreen. Here's your warranty information. This is printed in Chinese as well as English, as this is a First from Asia product. It does come with a 12-month warranty from the manufacturer. That's detailed in that information there. And then here's your actual guide for how to use this, again, since there's a few different ways. Also printed in English as well as Chinese, and very good English, I should say. So that's definitely a good job by Ugreen, making sure that that's all taken care of. Here's the device itself. Again, 3 USB 2.0 ports there, a 4th port that's used just for charging. That's a smart port with 2.1 amps. These can be connected, of course, to on-the-go or to a laptop, and those will provide data connections. Just bear in mind the red one is power only. It does have a power button there in the center, so once it's connected and wired up for power, you can turn it on or off individually. Here at the back, you have an input here for your DC power, so you can connect it up so it's always powered on. You don't need to use that. You can plug in just directly to a laptop or a desktop computer via the USB 2.0. Just bear in mind, if you do that, you're only going to get functionality out of these 3 black ports. You're not going to be able to use that charging port. That one's only available if you go with the wired connectivity to DC power, which is what this little DC power brick is for. Apart from that, this port here is where all the other data transferring is going to be happening. Let me come back to that in just a moment after I kind of show you guys the rest of the device here. So there's the bottom. It's got some rubber feet, so it will stay nice and stable on your desktop. There's a Ugreen logo on that side. And then it also has a little notch right there, which is just sort of a standard universal cradle that you can use. There's no plug at the bottom or anything, but you can use a smartphone to set it there vertically or horizontally, and that will hold it up for you. So again, if you're going to be using this as a dock, a nice easy way to set your smartphone down, plug it in, and then go ahead and use other devices that you have connected. Coming back to the on-the-go functionality as well as how you would connect this to your computer, that is what this last cable is for. Again, pretty standard on one side, just USB 2.0, and that's going to be the side that plugs into the dock right there. And then over on the other side, you have a couple different options. So here you have standard USB, again, type A, full size, so you can plug that straight into your computer and go ahead and use it as a hub. Or you also have a micro USB lead coming off of there. So the micro USB, again, if you have a USB on-the-go compatible device, you can plug into a smartphone like so, and then you can go ahead and use that as a hub to connect various other USB devices to your smartphone and use them as USB on-the-go devices. Very cool. And that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Once again, this has been the Ugreen USB on-the-go hub as well as multifunction charging station. I'm Paul with Newegg TV, and if you enjoyed this video, then check out our Newegg TV YouTube channel for more videos just like it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.